feel like it's not consistent, though, because, like, they were picking on things that other contestants, like the feet of the bed.
Nope, still not happy.
Anyway, move on. Got a long way to go.
Next one. Onwards and upwards.
That's the spirit, especially as this is ensuite week.
This is our week. This is what we were waiting for, this one. This is the bad boy that's been brewing. We have a secret weapon coming in. It's a bathtub from the other side of the world.
Brass.
Brass bath. That's the bath there. It's an entire sheet of brass. And then they paint satin matte black over it.
That's quite a bath you have there, Sara.
We've based our entire apartment on this bathtub.
Wait, what?
Our bath is the reason that we picked the apartment that we did.
What? So you didn't choose either of the penthouse apartments because of a bath?
Everything ties in with that bath. That's why we've done the brass and black doors. That's why we've got brass furnishings. This is what is setting the mood for the rest of our apartment.
Whoa, looks like Hayden and Sara are pulling out the big guns for this ensuite. And why not? If you've based your entire apartment around one room, you'd want that room to win the week, right?
This is the hero piece of the entire apartment.
Pretty much.
That's how important this bath is. It's gonna go blow your mind off.